purtainet is a cloud-based web application. We specifically designed it to help you cut out repetitive work in business management and to make your business process highly efficient and effortless. Get insights onto every aspect of your business at the speed of thought. Inventory management. Inventory management supervises the flow of goods from the manufacturer to the warehouses and from these facilities to the point of sale. We at purtainet help you with product size, specification, product group or category, product units, product name, reports of the material movements, master work type, master products, and a daily log material movement. Purtainet is your one-stop for all your business managerial solutions. Sit back and relax as Purta streamlines all your work seamlessly so you can focus on the most important thing, flourishing your business. Accessibility, affordability, reliability.